Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. I have a, pretty cool gadget I'm going to do an open box for. Um, this is a Native Union Drop XL wireless charger. So it's a multi-device charging pad with fast charging up to 7.5 watts. So you can see here, it's large enough that you can put two devices on there. A phone, and in this case it's an AirPod charging case. You can put two phones on there, but it looks like it's a high-speed charger which allows you to do multiple devices with good speed. So if you take a look at the box here, you will need a separate charger for the iPhone. So you have to use a regular iPhone charger. It looks like it's plugged into USB up there. It doesn't charge regularly on that charging pad. So it says iPhone 8 or later, and you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, but that's including the USB dock, USB charging cable. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And the box feels very, very heavy, so that's surprising because I have charging pads for much less. I've got much cheaper ones. I've gotten them as cheap as $14, but they feel very, very cheap, and I've had problems with them maintaining a charge. So hopefully this is a little bit better made. All right, so here's the actual charging pad itself, and it has this like rubbery textured surface, which is really nice. It feels nice, and the body of this is all metal. It's got rubber pads here, and again, this feels really, really solid. So with the rubber legs here, you put this on the table, and it's pretty much gonna stay put. Here's my instruction manual, but I don't really understand why you would need a setup guide for this. Looks like it's pretty straightforward, but I'll put that on the side here. Put your finger right in the middle of the hole here, and you lift up, and here's the rest of the inside. So this is your adapter, basically your brick, and you can see here that you're gonna have to use one of the adapters it comes with. So you can't just plug this into the wall. You need the adapter that goes with it. This cable is the heavy braided cable, so it feels thick, it feels strong, and it looks like it's pretty long. It comes with this nice little keep, this cable keep, and it's made out of leather with this little notch over here, and you just wind it around and put it back through the notch, and it makes a nice tight little bundle. So this part will plug into the back over here. There's a little notch back here, so it's actually fitted perfectly to just slide right in, and it fits in like that. Again, the cable is really nice and solid, so you probably won't have to worry about it fraying. And that's where your USB cable is, so you can charge other devices with through here. So once you plug this in, you have your wireless and your USB here. Now, these are different adapters that you have. For us here in the US, we're going to use this standard one over here. So all you have to do is line up these tabs. You line up the tabs here, and then over here I'll tell you lock or unlock. So we're going to lock it in place. We'll turn it, and once you hear that click, now it's solid. Now that can plug into any wall adapter, and it's a high-speed adapter, so it has a this brick allows it to charge pretty quickly. To change adapter heads, if you're traveling, let's say you want to go to Europe and you're going to use maybe this guy over here, what you do is you press down on this button and you twist, and you twist it out, and it comes out. And you do the same thing, just pop it on here and line up the tabs. So we're gonna line up those tabs. And did I do it right? There we go. And you just twist it and it locks in. So again, unlock it, take it out, and I'm going to use this for the US, so we'll put the US one in, and once it's in, we will leave it in, and now I can plug it into the wall, and my phone will place right over here. The rubber surface will keep it nice and steady, and it should charge pretty quickly. So that's pretty much it. That's my review in a nutshell. I just want to do a quick open boxing for you. Once we played around with it for a bit, we'll do another review, and we'll let you guys know how durable it is and how quickly it charges. Thanks for joining us, and we'll have more gadgets for you soon.